Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about resin transfer molding. Resin transfer molding is a close molding process and it is semi-mechanized. Resin transfer molding involves the reinforcement fiber is packed in the required geometric arrangement in the mold. It is a optimum process so that a particular amount of resin is only injected inside the or in between the molds. The molds are closed before injection. A liquid resin of low viscosity is injected under pressure. The resin wets the reinforcement and then cured. It is a faster production process than the previous methods such as hand layup and spray up techniques. In resin transfer molding, the catalyst and resin are pumped using a electric pump and it sends to the mixing head. From that, it is applied through the vent and then it is injected between the molds, and the two molds are closed before the injection and the mixture is spread inside or injected inside this mold and allowed for curing. The advantages of the resin transfer molding is the better control on the product thickness, that is helps to make parts with close tolerances, and molds used need not be as sturdy, that is not essential to have metallic molds. The molds can be used repeatedly and smooth finishes and desired colors on both sides possible to combine thermoplastic skins and inserts. The cycle time is less, that is 20 minutes, and large complex shapes can be made with a aid of woven, stitched or braided preforms. Fiber volume fractions as high as 0.6 can be achieved. For the 0.6% of the fiber volume fraction, it can able to withstand the more force than the other methods, which is 0.3% in the hand layup and the spray up methods. And the control usage of the fiber and resin reduces the material wastage, and a variety of mold shapes and sizes can be molded sequentially using the mobile pumping unit. There are some limitations such as tendency for fiber wash, that is when applying the resin the fiber tend to go away the mold, and tool rigidity and clamping techniques have to be designed to withstand the pressure. RTM process, that is resin transfer molding process, can develop pressures up to 5 to 10 bars. Process equipment, it includes resin pumping and dispensing equipment, tooling or mold required for making the product. Types of RTM machines: two-part system, catalyst injection system, and a pre-mixing system. In two-part RTM machine, resin and accelerator is present in one container and resin and catalyst is present in another container. Both are pumped to the mixing head and then it is injected inside the mold. Then catalyst injection system. In this, catalyst is placed in one container and resin plus accelerator is present in the another container. Both are pumped to the mixing head and then injected into the mold. In the pre-mixing RTM, the compressed air is allowed to for the flow of the resin into the mold, and a metallic cylinder is used to hold the resin, and a reinforcement is placed already inside the mold so that the resin is injected through the pipeline, which is controlled using a valve, and then cured. This is the RTM dispensing equipment. So this is the short video about the resin transfer molding for the processing of polymers. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe this channel for more videos. Share this video to your friends to gain knowledge. So thank you for watching.